Alright, hey, what's up guys, Toby here, coming at you with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about macOS Mojave, and you can expect iOS 12 and watchOS 5 videos coming this week, and by this week I mean Saturday,
Sunday. Sunday.
Man, I got some work to do. So today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite changes to macOS Mojave. Well, I've personally have not updated yet, but I have read and watched quite a few videos of people using it, so let's jump right into it. Number 1, dark mode. So, seems a little bit weird. My favorite change would be dark mode, but you don't know how much I've been waiting for dark mode ever since I became Apple sheep obsessed. So I'm really hoping it comes to iOS 12 eventually later, or maybe even in iOS 13. So the thing about macOS Mojave dark mode is that it really just flows and it just really works with this lit new amazing dark mode. It just works, dude. It looks flawless in every single way. So, as they have this little slider here, so this is what you usually get when you were looking in Finder. But if you have dark mode, this is what you're gonna get, this sleek new interface of amazingness. Alright, my second favorite change to macOS Mojave, the thing about stacks is definitely stacks. It's just, my desktop used to be really disorganized. Recently, like yesterday, I put it into this all folder to save me some time, because my Mac, I think every single inch of it was covered in just folders, different like screenshots, videos, coding projects, stuff like that. And I think stacks is really gonna help me maybe get everything out of that all folder and just have it on my desktop, but in stacks. So let me show you what stacks looks like. Let's look at that again. Look at it. It just works. And then it displays the different stuff that you have in that specific stack. It's kind of like folders, but it kind of shows you a preview and it looks a lot sleeker. My third favorite change to macOS Mojave, it's definitely the dynamic desktop. This is, I think, the late afternoon photo of it right here. I think it looks super nice, and I hope eventually one day we'll have something like that in iOS, which is probably coming in iOS 13, which is supposed to be a huge change. It's kind of like what we have right now with live photo wallpapers, as shown here. So, let's give it a shot here. So, dynamic desktop. So, I think the one that we were looking at, yeah, this one right here. This looks so sleek. So when you're working late at night, like 10 o'clock, you have this nice, sleek, dark mode, so dark dynamic background that really goes with you working in dark mode, which I think really just adds this amazing aspect. This is early morning of just how nice everything flows with Apple software, which you won't really get in Android or Windows or anything like that. It just really works, and that's the thing that I really love about Apple. It just works, everything, you just open it up and it works. And this just really adds to an aspect of everything just flowing with each other. My fourth favorite feature in macOS Mojave is definitely the screenshots. It's super easy now to take a screenshot. Command-Shift-4. And then it gives you the coordinates of where you're taking your photo, 0, 0, 0. Like, and then you take your screenshot and you're done. And then, but when you go here, go to here, and this is what you get. But with the new macOS Mojave screenshot features, it has this little taskbar that shows up here. I'm going to replay this animation. So you take this, and then you can capture stuff like this, which would be super easier. Sorry, so much more, which would be a lot easier, because you can really do that in quick time with like selecting how much you want to like record your screen out. So that's an accessibility feature that I think I'll use in macOS Mojave. My 5th favorite feature in macOS Mojave, it's definitely going to be the redesigned Mac App Store. In iOS 11, we saw a new updated change to the iOS App Store. It looked so sleek, everyone loved it. So let's take a look at what it will look like on a Mac. Now, it has the same tabs here that you would have on the bottom of your phone. You have the Discover page, which gives you the highlights from the day and stuff. You have the themed tabs, which is create, work, play, stuff like that. You have stories, which kind of gives you like what we have, where it gives you like an app of the day and you can read up on it. And video. Now, app preview videos have now come to the Mac, when before you could only see screenshots. So that's pretty nice. And I have a little bit of an announcement here. We're doing a new series coming to TechnoSword. So it's going to be called Apple Bias. And in this Apple Bias series, I'm going to be talking about new releases and other stuff like that, software from an 100% Apple biased perspective, which is pretty much how I do my videos now. But it's going to be a lot more biased, and I think that you guys will really see how I see things in this new series. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me while I haven't uploaded in 3 months. So that's coming to an end. So I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, supporting me. High five.